Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal's Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. And today we're going to do a demonstrational video on the Cowboy model CB8810. The CB8810 is a top and bottom feed, gear-driven roller feed style of sewing machine. It's a post bed model also. You can see the post on this is approximately 6 to 7 inches tall. It's gear driven from both the top side and the bottom side, and it would be a unison feed between the top and the bottom roller. Both of the roller have very small serrations. Both rollers have very small serrations on them, so it allows the machine to grip and feed the material easily. Machines like this work extremely well if you're trying to sew tight corners and also doing decorative scroll patterns and stitching patterns on certain things. It works extremely well. The machine's coupled to our HVP70 servo motor, which in this particular case we are not running a speed reducer because the HVP70 is an extremely powerful motor, which means that we don't have to run a speed reducer unit to gain extra power. So this machine features fully adjustable stitch length, of course fully adjustable thread tensions, and of course you can adjust the post on this machine as well by virtue of these screws here. You can move the post to the left or the post to the right a little bit, depending upon the projects that you're doing. So we're going to do a quick demonstrational run on this video, or on this machine, so you can see how it performs. So I'm going to put 2 layers of approximately 3 to 4 ounce leather in the machine, and we're going to go ahead and sew with it a little bit. I'm just going to snip these threads off right here, and then we'll continue sewing. We have this set to a little bit larger stitch length. Not that that really matters. You can set it to whatever stitch length you'd like. And of course, if you're doing a 90-degree turn, you can simply bury the needle in the material and then advance it, or turn 90 degrees and then continue the turn. Same thing as we're doing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the material from the machine so you can see how the stitching looks. And you'll see the top of the stitch looks very good, and then also the bottom side of the stitch looks really good as well. It's pulled up nice and tight. Again, remember that we do have a longer stitch length here on the machine, but of course you can set that to a shorter stitch length. We just wanted to show the stitching easily for the camera. But this machine is a very nice machine for individuals that are trying to do scroll work. You can see how I made this radius turn very easily on the machine. Also, I made the 90-degree turns extremely well too. So this machine is used a lot in like hat construction, hat bag or hat case construction, and so forth. So it is a versatile machine for individuals that require a post-bed sewing machine for their applications. So if you have any additional questions on this machine, please feel free to call me. My name is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal's Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. I can be reached at 330-692-1418, and I do thank you for your time today.